Hey everyone, Isha from the Loox team here. Today I'm going to show you how to offer a discount to your customers in exchange for them submitting a photo review. First, you need to log into your Shopify store and enter the discounts menu here on the left. Then, create a new discount. Now, you need to choose how big of a discount you're going to offer. This can either be percentage, like 20%, or a fixed amount, like $5. I'm going to choose 20%. Now, name this discount. I'm going to choose photo 20. You could also limit this discount to one use per customer by clicking right here. And don't forget to click Save. Now we need to define this discount in Loox. To do that, we go to our Apps menu and enter the Loox admin. Once we're on our Loox settings, we can define the discount. Just enter the details you filled in earlier. So percent, 20, and we said photo 20. You can choose to give this discount to everyone who leaves a review, including the write a review button, both on-site and review request emails, or just reviews through review request emails. To see we did it correctly, click the validate button. If it's green, means you're good. In the Loox Pro plan and up, you have the option of automatically generating a unique discount code for every photo review that can be used only once. To do this, just click the option here, and Loox will generate a new code every time a customer leaves a photo review. No need to define this anywhere else. Loox does it all for you. And that's it. Don't forget to mention this discount in your review request emails text so that all your customers know to leave a review.